Hey folks, can you believe it's time to decorate the living room for summer? Unbelievable, come on over, it's gonna be good, it's gonna be different, right here on my take on home and garden. Check it out guys, we're going to do something a little different today. I'm going to show you the room as it is now. Then I'm going to show you what I'm going to use in the makeover in the room for today. Then I'm going to immediately show you the finished room and go around and explain what I did and why. We'll make it different and see if you like that better. Come on over. Get your Cocoa Puffs, it's gonna be good. Okay guys, let's check out the living room the way it is right now. Pretty, but somewhat blasé. We've seen this. We saw it for spring. Some things have been removed. We'll just get a quick pan around. And we see our curtains that were up. Got the Regency going on. Couple of cameras and stands to add some aesthetic. Even extra lighting for those dark spots. Okay, that's what we had. Now let's take a look at what I'm thinking about using in the decor today. This room is not blue and white and yellow. We're going to go with terracotta, earthenwares, creams, a little bit of gold, apricot, peach, even tangerine. We've got our bronze statues and Moses. Our candlesticks I have to use every time. We have a terracotta koi and a wonderful new bowl with koi on blue and white. That's okay. We can put it in. And our wonderful terracotta teapot to fit in. So we've collected up everything that we could possibly add some peach or terracotta, including some pillows. Okay, here's our pillows. Different pillows that'll go with the decor for summer. And I've pre-set up the big floor vases with some wonderful yellow and violets. One more rabbit in the hat. Get this out. New curtains today are going to help me push this over. Here they are. They are going to be something different for us. And I'll talk about them more when they're up. So I'm going to save you all that headache. Nobody cares about that. Watching that. Fumbling and changing. Dusting and wiping and vacuuming. So we'll be right back with the finished look. Okay guys, let's take a look at what we got done today. Here you can see our pleated back new curtains in the terracotta. Complement with a peach colored vase. And a wonderful piece from Hawaii in the Art Deco style. Columns and plants. Jugs and urns, and ties right in with our Asian look. The bigger terracotta color in the burnt orange pillow went in the back so it wasn't overwhelming. Another little collection, teapot, pots, and urns. Keeping our bronze, adding a little fruit, and then another rare, a wonderful terracotta color pillow with the new curtains. just adding a new bowl. Look what it does to this area. Blue and white and the terracotta goldfish. Now, if these don't speak summer, wonderful. Pick up the terracotta, peach, yellows, and greens in these pillowcases. Light whisper of yellow and violets in the floor vase. Then we'll complement our Asian lamps. Again, a terracotta koi and a wonderful tangerine Asian tree with jade leaves. Pair of bronze finishes that table. And our matching chair and pillow. We changed the color of the lampshade here and left the parrot. Coming around and adjusting for light. We left the cockatoos for summer and lightened up on the bronze pieces and our porcelain antique clock. Now you folks asking for a big basket on the coffee table, you know I don't always have time for all that. But since you enjoy it so much, I have to admit, we do too. This is special for you. Right here on the coffee table for summer. We've got off-white roses, peach roses, giant marigolds, lavender, and berries. And believe it or not, even the candles are called pineapple and marigold, and that's the smell. We have a bit of gold with our summary, book boxes, and we can keep Moses right here. We've got ostrich fern, rose hips, and lavender. There's eucalyptus and some greens. Now we'll do one last pan. Hopefully you liked our show today. Terracotta for summer. And if we were in old Italy, we might say, Buon amico paisan, mi amor, la terracotta. Blessings, have some fun, and we'll see you in the next over the top, off the chain, magical, incredible decorator and collector video.